Hello, my YouTube family. Today we're doing a slow-mo video. So I am 3 years Locs, so this is my 3-year Loc anniversary. My hair got long. Remember when the time I didn't have the little knots on the end and everything? I'm going to add a slow-mo that I did when I was 8 versus my 18-month slow-mo. So let's take a look at them. Let's compare. Let's see where I'm at. I love my hair. I can't say it enough. I love my hair. I love my hair. I love my hair. So, one of the best decisions. You know my RVs are one of those also good decisions. My hair with me traveling, so convenient. So, let's start looking at the slow-mo. And then we can talk. See you later.
And we're back, YouTube fan. So, here we go. Let's look at and compare some of these slow-mos here. So, on the left, you have the 18-month Locs. Look at those. I loved them then, but I love them even better at 3 years. So, and on your right, you have 3 years. And I thought this would be a nice seeing the difference because I want to see how my hair, because I'm like, oh, my hair is not growing. It is growing. So when you do a comparison, you get to see improve. Yes, look at the difference on an 18-month versus 3 years. Love it, love it, love it. I think I want to add more color to the tips of my hair, but that's not what this video is about. Anywho, so I'm showing you a couple of videos here and there that I have done on my Locs. Please enjoy them. I had them added to, and you saw them pop up. But let's talk about my washing and my moisturizing routine. They are still just as simple as they were before. If you want to see that, you can put a comment below and I will add a update video on that, but they're basically the same. I have videos on my washing and moisturizing routines. I keep my hair as simple as possible. I use black soap. I use curly kinky leave-in conditioner for my moisturizer. I dilute it. I still use my essential oils and stuff like that. That is really it. And I still use, for clarifying, I still use that Neutrogena clarifying shampoo. That has always been a staple with me. And that is, I really don't do much with my hair. I do normally keep my hair up in a top bun. It just, to me, is just easier. And then also, my Locs have been great with me traveling in my RV. They're so low maintenance. I love it. And let's talk about the hair beads. I can't even remember when I put them in, but apparently they were in on the 18-month. Because you can see them there and they are holding tight. And like I said in one of my other videos, I will not remove my beads. They're going to stay up there as long as they want until they fall off. I love them. It makes my hair look unique. You know, I love to be unique. See, on a mission likes to be unique. So, but my hair is actually probably a little bit above my bra strap if I'm looking from here. But fam, I'm going to quiet down, let y'all enjoy a little bit of this video, just kind of looking around, and then I'll come back and we'll talk about some other things about my Locs. fam, this was a perfect time because I have just added color to my tip of my hair probably less than a month ago. So this is perfect timing because it looked bad, and I only color my hair or add the color, replenish the color if you want to say, probably maybe twice a year. Otherwise, I don't do much around coloring my locks. I love my locks. They're not full, thick, but they're me. This is how my hair is. Now, styling, like I said, I don't do much when it comes to styling, but I do keep my hair tied up as much as possible. If I know I'm going to lay down, I normally put my headscarf on, but I have to say 96% of the time, I do not lay down without covering my hair up. I do not want to get a lot of lint in my hair. Right now, I have kept it at a minimum, and I want to keep it that way. Otherwise, I'm just simple. Even like I say, wearing my hair like this, even down, I rarely do that. Usually it's right up in the ponytail. So continue to enjoy, and I'll be back. Did anyone notice the background of that 18-month? That was in Aruba. I miss Aruba. I can't go to Aruba because of you know what. But it is what it is. I will be back when the universe deems so. So fam, this is my 3-year lock anniversary. Woohoo! As I always say, do what makes your heart happy. Self-love is always the way. It'll keep you healthy. Be healthy. Be safe. My YouTube family. Peace, love, and happiness. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.